Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Well, this is kind of interesting. Thorhauge Audio, they make tube sound, and it's very much a lower budget type of sound, but I would have to say if you're starting in hi-fi and you want to go with some decent low cost tube sound that has musicality and is extremely pleasant and soft and warm to listen to, I would have to say this is like one of those brands that you have to consider when you're in the very start of your hi-fi journey. And you could make this work with a lot of speakers, a lot of low quality small speakers, because usually those speakers are cheap and they're harsh and mechanical and just uninteresting. And this is like, it just makes stuff digestible, and you just like listen to the flow of music. But it's kind of for people who don't have enough money to go for Macintosh ear or like really good expensive evolved tube type of sound. So yeah, it's a lot cheaper. It provides a pretty good decent amount of value, and it's just really good with do-it-yourself speakers, because a lot of do-it-yourself speakers are just filled with holes and just do a certain type of raw detail going in a certain direction. So yeah, I mean, if you have a record player or an old CD player, or just want to start off at something really cheap where you get a lot of value for your money, I mean, Thorhauge is one of those brands that you most likely will want to start with, and I would clearly recommend going with this instead of the low models from Yamaha, Denon, Pioneer, Kenwood, Sony, Philips, Vincent, Musical Fidelity. Even the higher models, the highest models from Vincent and Musical Fidelity and Denon, I wouldn't take those into consideration. I would actually go with Thorhauge instead. So yeah, a good starter sound, and they're actually from Denmark. And yeah, just think that this is a pretty decent sound. I mean, there are no Macintosh ear or Tube Guru, or definitely not Jadis, but just a lot of pretty good value, which gives you a pleasant sound. So you can probably use like an old 50, 100 or $200 CD player, and you don't have to think about it, being too bad. It's just good, nice, warm, forgiving musicals. So yeah, it's nice to have that option. So if I can get you to like and subscribe, that would help me a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.